Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can solve exponents or powers on the Casio fx-83GT class whiz calculator. To do this, we'll use the x to the power of 2 or x squared key that looks like this, located here, the x to the power of 3 or x cubed key that looks like this, located here, the x to the power of or x exponent key that looks like this, located here. And we can also use the negative key that looks like this, located here, and the fraction key that looks like this, located here. Starting off simple, if we just want to square a number, like say 5 squared or 5 to the power of 2, we do this by placing the 5 on the screen and then hitting the x squared key. We now see we have 5 to the power of 2, or 5 squared. Press equals, and we get the result of 25, which is correct. If we want to cube a number, or find the power of 3, we do it the same way. We start by placing our 5 on the screen, and then we hit the x cubed key. We see we now have an exponent of 3. We press equals, and we see we get our result of 125 is equal to 5 cubed, or 5 to the power of 3. Well, that's nice and easy, but what if we have an exponent that isn't a cube or a square? Like, for example, 5 to the power of negative 2. Well, to solve this, again, we start with our 5 on the screen. Then we want to use this x to the power of key. That's the one with the box in the exponent position. So we press that, and we see we now have a box in the exponent position on our screen. For this example, our exponent is negative 2. So we start with the negative, and then 2. We now see we have an exponent of negative 2, and then we can move our cursor out of the exponent box with the right arrow key in case we need to enter other numbers. And we press equals, and we see we get a result of 1 over 25. If we want this as a decimal, we can use the S to D key down here. Press it once, and we see we convert to 0.04, which is correct. This can also convert back and forth, so if we keep pressing it, it'll go from fractions to decimals. What if we have a fraction in our exponent position, like say 4 to the power of 1 over 2? Well, we start with our 4, and then our exponent key. We have that box in our exponent position. Now we can press the fraction key here. That changes that box into a fraction. So we have 2 boxes there. Well, our top number is 1, so we press 1, and then we press the down arrow to go into the lower box. The lower box is 2. There we go. There's our 1 over 2, or 1/2. And then we want to press the right arrow key again to come out of that exponent and press equals, and see that we get a result of 4 to the power of 1 over 2 is equal to 2. All right, I hope that helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.